Hello folks, I got some good news for you. Spring is here and it's never gonna snow again. But unfortunately that means this will be the last drivers that suck at cleaning snow off their cars for this season. I know, sad. I know, really sad. But anyway, let's get into this.
You know, the current temperature outside is about 40-ish degrees. It is only going to get a little bit warmer today. Perfect opportunity to get all that snow that's on your roof off, because the conditions don't get better than this.
I am so excited.
Clean off the rear window! What are you doing? It's like, good thing you got side view mirrors, I guess.
If it's a bad light, if it's so sorry to ask, but if it's bad light.
Look at all the ice flying off the truck.
I discovered that.
Look at all the snow flying off. Look at it. Oh, come on, you Nissan driver. You can't get a snow brush out and clear off that rear window? How are you supposed to see stuff? No. Also, that Screwbaroo also, it had its defroster run for a little bit longer, I guess. It might be a good idea to get some of that snow off the back of your window there. Screwbaroo. Look at all the snow on the minivan. Stop it! Get that shit off of there. It's gonna blow off. And you got so much snow on your car hood and your roof, you gotta do a better job of cleaning it off.
Oh, look at that big, thick truck that can't get snow up its roof for some reason.
Hey buddy, you got a nice big chunk of snow on the top of your car there. You gotta clean that off. It's gonna fly off in one big hunk and it's gonna be a mess.
One, go.
Really?
Kevin's gonna be like, oh, what to talk about today?
Really?
Pretty good for the creative community.
Holy, no. Go back to your garage and try again.
Such lofty stonework.
Screwbaroo. You can't clean all that snow off the top. It's like, I don't think your four-wheel drive will be able to clean that high. Sorry.
The Pennsylvania Convention Center, Philadelphia.
Holy crap! Clear off your window! What the fuck is that? I don't know how to explain how that one is possible. It's like you cleared off one section on the driver's side, but left a big pile on the passenger side. You got your back window covered up, it seems like. I don't know about that one.